In this video, we're going to discuss why it is important to leave the same contractor, foreman, handyman at the job site from the beginning all the way to the end. And so if you're an investor, a general contractor, or construction manager, you're going to want to listen to this video. So there's many reasons to leave the same person here from beginning to end. Because during the renovation of a property, you go through many stages, okay? And a lot of the rough work that's being done, exceptions have to be made, they have to deviate from the plans, and it's important that the same guy is there so he remembers everything, all the exceptions that they had to make. But even for the little things, like knowing where everything is as far as your materials. Like here, you know, you can see how the job site, I'm towards the end of this job, and believe it or not, I know it doesn't look like it, but this job can move relatively quick because all the rough work is done, and now we're just coming back. Let me go into the bathroom here, and now we're just coming back and we're putting on parts, okay? And little things like the Allen wrench for the screws that goes into our diverter. You know, all these little things make a difference. And if you have different people coming in and out and getting different subcontractors and it does not work. It just makes the job more expensive and it takes a lot longer to complete. Another little example is, I will give you an example of how I was out of materials. And you can see here, I lost this screw. And I'm like, all right, no big deal. I'll just get another Romex connector and find a screw for it. But then I'm finding out, okay, there's no screws here. Now, you would run to Home Depot, waste another hour doing that? No, not gonna do that. Kill my momentum at the job site. So I know that screw, I dropped it somewhere. So I said to myself, okay, I remember exactly where I dropped it. And so I grabbed my light here and I turned it on. And I went right back to where I dropped it. And when I dropped it, I looked for it because I was like, oh man, it's gonna be a problem. But I couldn't see it. So I came around here. It was when I was putting in this light right here. And so I came around here and I started looking again. And I'm like, I have to find that screw because I'm using there it is. So you can see, now I have the screw, now I can keep moving and not have to go buy new Romex connectors. Again, these are the small little things that add up, but in general, you want to keep the same, different companies run their companies different ways. Whether you put a foreman, whether you call him a construction supervisor, whether you call him a handyman, but try and keep somebody at the job site from beginning to end that's familiar with everything that's going on. He doesn't have to do all the work, but at least he's familiar with what's going on there so that at the end of the job, you can close it up relatively quick and not have any problems. All right, that's it for this video.